What's going on, traders? Welcome back to the channel. Today has been pretty difficult. It's been sideways action. I don't like this. There's a second entry short forming here, and I'll probably take this on a evaluation. This looks pretty good. So you have new low, first entry, second entry, and it's moving pretty fast. So try to catch this. I don't like how the bar is forming. See, this is what I'm talking about. It's just, I don't know. I think I'm gonna risk it. It's 2.5 points. I don't think I'm gonna risk it, but the bar just does not look good. But like I said, it's been pretty difficult to trade. I did manage to trade on the 10K chart, which is a decent trade. I got 4.5 points out of that, and let's see what happens here. See if we get triggered. Again, like I said, price is moving pretty slow, so you know I didn't get a fill in one of the trades, which was the green arrow, which kind of was weird because usually, you know, if price moves slow, you have a pretty good chance of getting filled. But we'll see what happens here. Okay, so I'm gonna wait a little longer. There we go. Drop
Order
it in.
filled.
We're in. Hopefully this works out. I'm gonna target this swing low, but we'll see how it goes. I might not get it. I might just do maybe a 2-point scalp. But yeah, I didn't get filled on this this trade right here. I was looking to trade this long here, and wasn't trying to go long midline. I didn't like that. There's a failure here that I don't really like. The green arrow, like I said, was a failure again. New high, first entry, second entry, long failure. It was good for 5 points, and the price is really struggling here. Nothing else I've seen that I like. This black arrow, I was trying to short here as well. I didn't like how there was a bunch of dojis and a bunch of wicks. I didn't like any of that, so I just decided to skip it. And then this trade right here, we'll see what happens. But looks like the price is just struggling to do anything, and it is lunchtime, so it's tricky. But the risk is about 3 points, so I'll take it. We'll see what happens. Yeah, the price is really struggling to go lower, but we'll see how this candle closes, and we'll see if we make a move. Yeah, I didn't really like the single bar here. I really didn't. It's more of a doji bar, but I mean, sometimes you just gotta take it, you know. So this bar closed bearish. I do like this, but I don't like how it's just not doing anything. So it is lunchtime. So okay, the scalp was made, and like I said, we'll see if the price moves lower. But there's a second entry long forming as well. But I might just do 2 points and be on my way, you know. Okay, let's see. I might take my 3 points here. 2.5, 2.25. Just don't like how it's pulling back. That's not ideal. How many points is this? 375. Yeah, see, I don't like how it's pulling back. That worries me a little bit, but I'm gonna keep it going. I'm not gonna move my stop loss to break even. I'm gonna hold it, but there's some resistance, I mean support here, so, and I do like this midline, so you know there's a good chance we might come down to the midline, but I don't know. Like I said, the price action has been very difficult, and like I said, I don't like to scalp out for 1 point. To me, that just doesn't make sense. So, you know, it is what it is. I'm gonna be right back again. Ugh. So looks like we're getting stopped out here, maybe, possibly. See, like I said, like this actually could be a failure. So you have new high, first entry, second entry, long failure if it goes back down. But like I said before, for a point, this would have worked just fine, you know. But it's 3.5 points right there. So again, I don't know scalp for points anymore. 1 point. So, and this is an evaluation, so I don't really care about this. So, but looks like we're gonna get stopped out, and that's fine. Just moving on to the next one. There's some resistance here, so that's the good thing about this. But yeah, I mean, there's nothing I can do. So price is pulling back again, so I could take my profits here with 1 point, but I don't want to do that. And then price is reversing, and I'll take my 3 points here. That's a problem. Yeah, that's a big red bar though. That's a pretty good sign that we might get a push lower. 3.5. Again, it's lunchtime, so it's kind of slow. It's kind of slow. We're going sideways here, right? And this is a failure, by the way. Like, so you have new high here, first entry, second entry, long failure. Again, it would have worked fine for a point. Get point and a half, 0.75 here. I'm not risking that, so hopefully I hit my target. There you go. So I'm out. That trade did take a long time, and see, my initial target profit would have been hit too. Well, not really, because I was targeting somewhere here. But there you have it. I mean, it's a tough day. It's a tough day, and you know, usually when I when I go, excuse me, for points like this, on the days like this, market won't give you those kind of points, and you do have to work for it, meaning that you have to be patient. Honestly speaking, in the market like this, right, like today, it would have been better to scalp with 1 point, to be honest, honestly speaking. But you know, got a little bit lucky here, and you know, there's some resistance here, so you can clearly see some resistance here, and there's a failure here as well, and you can clearly see that basically trapping all the people low, going long, and then we get out 3.5 points. So there you have it. I mean, let's see where I'm at. So I was down on the evaluation for today. I was down about a 1 something. So I'm up 28 bucks, whatever. But on the other valuation, on the blue sky, I'm up 219. So I don't know if I talked about it on it. It was a 10K trade. It was this triple test here, basically, you know, 1, 2, and 3. I did get lucky in this one as well. Almost got stopped out, but luckily price reversed, and I got 4.5 points. Yeah, I got 4.5 points here. Price went even lower, but like I said, in this market condition, you got to take what you can get. You know what I mean? Could I got more? Probably, maybe. I don't know. But yeah, I'll just take my 4.5 points, my 3.5 points, and I'll be on my merry way. But anyways, hope you like this video. Hopefully you enjoyed the live trade. And hopefully you were in the green. And thank you all for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.